What better thing is there to do at 11:10 at night besides test air conditioners? Today we had a preview of summer. Got up to, I think, 87. It's still 72 out, 76 in. That's warm enough to test an air conditioner. So we're going to test a carry cool, because I've never used one of these in the window before. I really need to in order to determine how loud it is. Never installed one of these. This will be the first time. We're going to have some problems here. Not because of the machine, but because of these daggone windows and the way the apparatus is. I'm not able to actually close the window properly. This is always a problem with these windows. It has nothing to do with the machine. This is fully a problem with the window. Oh. Wow. Okay, never mind. I kind of got it. I'll have to put a foam strip on the top here to seal it. But we kind of got it to work. Doesn't give us any room to work with whatsoever. And we're going to need a couple more foam blocks. Even though this is just a temporary setup, I want to foam it so that we can tell how loud it is. I don't think so that I have any more of these available right away. Let me go check downstairs. Not 100%, but it's pretty close. Alright, let's see how this works. Or more so, how it sounds. That's not crazy. It's not the quietest machine I've ever heard, but it's not terrible. A lot of the noise is definitely on the outside. You can tell it's a completely different tone that we're hearing now as opposed to what we hear outside. So actually this is cutting out the majority of the outdoor noise, surprisingly. That's not crazy. I've definitely used quieter machines, but this is not intolerable. This is quieter than newer ones. A lot of newer ones are very noisy. There's very little vibration. It runs very smooth. The whole window frame isn't shaking. Actually, I don't really feel any vibration being transferred into the wall. Some machines, the whole stinking wall will vibrate. You can hear the refrigerant sounds now. Those were completely drowned out before on the bench test from the condenser noise. Let's see now, if I take this off, does it get any louder? I don't know if I can do this with it. Nah, I can't. It's gonna pull forward. It's very well balanced. It's not really leaning in or out. Most of the weight's right in the center. It's made for a very easy install, aside from the fact that the windows don't open tall enough in this house. And that's not because the machine is abnormally large. These windows fit hardly anything. They're a real pain to deal with. I usually take the top sash out for air conditioner season to fit more units in. And I'll probably end up doing the same for this. It's actually pretty reasonable on low. It's nighttime, it's quiet in the house, and it's not super overbearing. During the daytime, you're making noise, whatever, it's going to seem even quieter. Yeah, across the room, it's not bad at all. Take a listen from the outside. What the heck was that? Did you hear that on the video? Oh, it looks like it might be starting to rain. Only over there, not over here. It's kind of weird. Yeah, see, this is not fitting right in the window. I had to take the top sash out and use the wood instead. What a pain in the neck. Lots of heat coming out of there. drain hole is so far in there, it's going to drip into the window. That might be a problem. Yeah, nice heat distribution. It's definitely louder on the outside. Compressor's pretty quiet though. I don't really care how loud it is on the outside, it doesn't matter. You don't turn on the air conditioner and go sit on the outside of it, that's ridiculous. You can feel the cool from it already. That works good. It doesn't push the air away from the unit very far though. This is probably well supplemented with a ceiling fan. Yeah, I like this. I'll use it. I thought it was going to be obnoxiously loud. It's really not. There's definitely quieter units out there, but this is tolerable. In fact, I would say it's not even really above average in noise level. I'd say it's pretty average.